Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens, bringing you a quick video here. Uh, this was a giveaway that I won from Graphenefast. They have a survival kit shop on Amazon. They also sell Olight brand flashlights, and they have nice little bundles and stuff. And if you remember, I bought one of their flashlights, the Olight S30 Baton R. They had this bundled up with a battery case for 18650s. So I picked this up because, like I said, if you remember that video, I really wanted this light for a while, and it's a pleasant surprise to have this light and to have it, fit in the size, fit in my hand the way it does. So this flashlight has been a very happy addition to my everyday carry. So if you're looking for any kind of flashlights, Graphenefast does have. They do sell this one. I believe they have the M2T and was it the Warrior? Not the Warrior. The new one that came out. I don't remember the name of it. I'm horrible with some Olight models. My bad. You have to excuse me on that. And they sell the i3T, the AAA, single AAA rear tail click that they have. They have a couple of those kind of lights from Olight. So if you're looking for Olights, Graphenefast does have little bundles and packages like that. So let's put this flashlight down. Just get to this kit really quick. Like I said, I won a giveaway. I entered, I'll enter 50 billion people in these giveaways, and myself and Mike Kelly won one of these kits. And you probably saw, if you know Mike Kelly on Facebook, then you knew what's already in this kit. This is just me getting around to finally filming it because I just moved and I just haven't had a chance to get everything filmed. So I have a little bit of a backlog, so you're gonna have to excuse me on that. But I'm filming as fast as I can, and I'll constantly be bringing out new videos for you guys. Now let's open this up. Enough of my blabber. So, looks like you get an emergency mirror here. And open that up. This looks like, what is that, a whistle? Yeah, that's a whistle. Okay, so it comes with some paracord and a whistle, and as you can see, it's some directions here, how to tell you how to triangulate and be able to signal to rescue workers, whether it's helicopter or someone across the canyon or something like that. You can use this kind of stuff to signal for help. So that's cool. That's you should always have that in your first aid kit in your car, especially in your car. You should always have something like this. It's very important, and this is going to go into my wife's car because I already have one in my truck and I have one in my bag, but I didn't have one in her car. I've been lagging on that. So this is going to my wife. There you go, baby. And we got a ferro rod. Let's open this up. Let's open her up, open her up. All right. This is a nice ferro rod. If you're looking at it, for all you gun guys out there, what does this look like? Hey, it looks like your AR charging handle, right? So you should be used to this. It should be very, very familiar to you. And this comes with a really nice striker. That's also, as you can see, it's also a ruler, a wrench, and I'm sure you can probably open a bottle with that. And here's the striker itself. And to use this, all you have to do is if you need to make fire, the striker, the ferro rod itself, comes with a black coating on it, as you can see. You can use your striker here or your knife, and you just like rub that stuff off, as you can see. You rub that off, and you just have your tinder pile, and you just scrape it down, and it creates sparks to make a fire. Everybody should have multiple ferro rods. I mean, all types of methods to start fire. You should always carry at least 2 or 3 different kind of methods to start fire, and it's very easy. You know, matches, lighter. There's 2 right there. Third should be a ferro rod. So, or some cotton balls, anything like that for tinder. That can also sub, you know, for something else. You know, if it's for bleeding, or if you need to like do whatever you may need with a cotton ball. But it has multiple uses, and that's the kind of stuff you want in your kit. You don't want something that has only one use. Try to get something that has multiple uses. So let's look here. This is going to be a chainsaw. This is going to be an emergency little chainsaw. Okay, open that up. Open that up. It's a little nice little pouch. Open it up. Gotta watch out for your fingers here, guys and girls. This stuff is very sharp. And this is almost one of those videos where the guy says it and then he shoots himself in the leg or something like that, because he's the professional. But as you can see, this is an emergency chainsaw, and you can see how small it was, and this could pack down very flat with this pouch. It's very easy to pack this down, and this is good in a pinch if you don't have a saw on you or any other kind of way to fell a small tree or any kind of you know, deadfall. This will be really good. You know, you just put it around the trunk of the tree, and with the straps, you just seesaw motion. You mean back and forth, and cut the branch or cut the tree. So this is a very nice kit, and they sell this kit on Amazon, and I believe it's only $15 or $16. Now that's very fair, you know, for this kit. I'm glad and very blessed and fortunate that myself and my brother Mike won this kit from Graphenefast. I'll be sure to put their Facebook group in the down below in the description, and you can go check them out. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, but some nice person outside is whistling. So hopefully that'll die down, but I'm sorry if that's all up in the background of the video. I can't control neighbors. But yeah, this has been Desert Lumens, bringing you a quick little unboxing or unbagging of the Graphenefast little disaster kit, little bug out or bushcraft kit. Ferro rod scraper, the emergency mirror, the chainsaw, and the pouch. This is a nice little piece of kit for, you know, under 20 bucks. All right, this has been Desert Lumens. You guys have a blessed weekend. Take care.